reel of thread. We can call reel of thread firki also. Okay, so let's start how to draw kite and reel of thread. First, you have to take scale, okay, and with the help of pencil draw standing line. Draw a standing line like this with the help of scale, okay, like this. Then you take 1/2, means half part of this line, make point half part of this standing line, okay. Then draw sleeping line to make a square shape. Sleeping line, okay, like this. For the square shape, you have to draw 4 sides equal, okay, 4 sides equal line, okay, like this, okay. You can take measure also, but here I am drawing without measure, okay. Now draw slanting line like this from the top to bottom, like this, slanting line. Then again right hand side, slanting line, okay. Now this side also in the same way, slanting line, but we will not draw till here, we will draw till here, because from this point you have to draw one triangle shape, okay. So till here, like this. Then in the same way till here, like this, slanting line, stop till here. Then from this point you draw triangle shape, okay, like this, okay, triangle shape, like this, okay. Now draw sleeping line like this type, triangle shape, okay. Now erase this unnecessary line, okay. Now from the center, point you can draw any design or any shapes such as circle, triangle shape, okay. So here I will draw circle, okay, like this, and this line also you erase. This is unnecessary line I just made for so now draw curve line, okay, like this, till here to here, curve line, okay, like this. Now you can make design also. Here I am drawing curve shape, okay. Here right hand side, in the same way left hand side, okay, like this curve. Here also you can draw like this, okay. Now our kite is ready. Now here we will make tail, okay, like this. Now from here we will draw triangle shape, like this. Here also keep some distance, okay, triangle shape. You can draw by using your own design. Here I have made a circle design. You can use rectangle or triangle or any design you can use, okay, by using your own ideas, okay. So like this, इस तरह से हम now our reel of thread, it's turn to reel of thread. For the reel of thread we will draw rectangle shape, okay, rectangle shape. For the rectangle shape, slipping line, like standing line, then again slipping line, then slipping line, after that standing line, okay. Now from the left side we will draw standing line, like this, okay. One more standing line, like this, okay. Then in the same way here also standing line, okay. Then one more standing line, okay. Here unnecessary line you will erase, okay, this much, okay. Now curve like this type, curve line you will draw, curve line, here also curve line, okay. Now of this rectangle shape, center part, okay, this is center part, no? We will point out, okay, here also. Now you will draw again slipping line, okay, like this, sleeping line. Again, one more sleeping line. Then, in the same way, from the right side also, sleeping line. One more sleeping line. Like this. Okay. Now, here you will make standing line. Okay. Here also standing line. Now, unnecessary line we will erase. Now here we will draw oval shape. Okay, oval shape. Both the side. Okay, like this. Then here also just erase and both the side erase and draw curved line, means C shape. Okay, like this. Okay, C shape. Okay, like this. Now here you will draw standing line, okay, by using scale, thread, okay, like this. See, like this. Okay, from here also you can draw such type of line. Okay, understood? How to draw reel of thread or firki we can call. So like this. These are threads. These are threads. You can draw with hand also. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is our firki. Okay, we can join from here to here. Okay, like this. Okay, so our kite and firki is already I have drawn here, you can see. So I hope children you understood how to draw kite and reel of thread. So you also draw on the blank paper, a blank white sheet, like this type of kite and reel of thread, okay, by using your own ideas, your own design. Okay, thank you.
Now I am going to teach you how to fill color in the kite and reel of thread. Okay, here I took orange color and blue color for kite. So you can take on your choice, it is depend on your choice, you can take any color. Okay, red and green, red and yellow, orange and blue, orange and purple, color combination means. Okay, so here I am filling orange color, okay, on the base of kite. See here, like this. Fill slowly. You can see here I have drawn already on the blank white sheet, and now I am starting filling color, orange color, like this. Don't fill sketch pens. Okay, first you draw kite shape and reel of thread with the help of pencil. After that you make outline with the sketch pen or black pen. After that you fill color. Okay, so here you can see orange color, like this. Fill slowly. Okay, now in this part also orange color. After filling color, you cannot draw outline with the sketch pen because this is crayon color, means wax color. So on the wax color you cannot use sketch pen or any pen. So first you have to draw outline with the sketch pen or any black pen. See, like this. Okay, now here you can fill another color also. Okay, now here I am filling same color. You can fill another color also. See, like this. You can make colorful kite. Okay, see, fill slowly whenever you comes on the outline. Okay, fill like this. If you leave white space or white sheet, so fill again, fill color properly. Okay, like this. Now slowly, you fill slowly. Okay, always remember, color will not go, should not go outside, out of this picture. Fill properly color. Okay, like this. Like this. Instead of this color you can use any color. Pencil color, crayon color, wax color. Okay, but use sketch pen only for the outline. Don't use sketch pens for filling color in any shape of drawing. Okay, here you can see wherever left I am filling again. Okay, like this. Now blue color, fill here, blue color. Here also in the same way. Okay, here also. Okay, Here also same color, or you can use another color. With the orange shade you can use blue or any dark color, purple color, okay, green color you can use, like this. Here in this part I will fill same color. Okay, fill slowly, carefully, like this. Okay, don't make dirty. Okay, now here in this part I will fill red color. Okay, in the triangle shape, red. Okay, then in the second design, green. Okay, again red. As I told you, you can use any color, it is depend on you, on your choice. Okay, green color again, or you can use multicolor, orange, green, yellow, purple, blue, red. Okay, now in the reel of thread I will fill here in this part yellow color, like this. Now here red color, or you can fill brown color also. Okay, here I am using red color. Here also both the sides same color. Okay, in this part also red color, in this part also red color. Okay, fill slowly. Then here I have taken green color. In this part green color, here also. Okay, here also both the side same color in the same design. Okay, like this. Here I will fill again. Okay, okay, so like this. Okay, now I hope you understood how to fill color in the kite and reel of thread. Okay, thank you.